How many hours could you save a day if you used this social media auto poster? I'm going to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to make a new post, and we're on day 14 of the 31 days of freebies Oktoberfest. So first of all, you have to select your accounts. So I've got an images only one, and then you can do the reels one afterwards. Okay, so write your post here. I already did it. Add your picture. I'm going to start with number one in the Halloween. This one. So you double click on that. Bada bing, bada boom. If you that's it, guys. If you want to do a follow-up comment, you can put a follow-up comment, get your free 14-day trial of this start pro and get your 31 days of freebies now, and then you hopefully know what you're talking about, and you've got https forward slash, then you know off by heart forward slash Oktoberfest. Then copy that. You've got to put the S in. Copy that. Now, if you see, this is what it looks like on all your posts. Okay, so you've got multiple pages. Pinterest. If you go to Pinterest, it's slightly, that's why I've copied that. And you add get your freebies here. Select a board, which will be online marketing and MMO. There you go. It's as easy as that, boys and girls. Then https cyanmobile.com actually. So if you've made a mistake, it will tell you, and you can just do that. Now, right links there. Press post. You can post now or schedule it. So I'm going to schedule it for 1 o'clock. Schedule posts. And it's that easy, guys. If you want to save time and money and get, this is only one of the tools that can help you so much with your business. Click the link below and get your freebies today, because it ends on October the 31st. It